everybody, how's it going? Today I'm going to make a video showing how to forge a square and a round hot punch like these. Steel I'm going to be using for this is a piece of coil spring, 5 inch round. You can use whatever other sizes you like, really, just depending on the size of the tool. 3/4 of an inch is very nice. So, if you like the video, guys, please, like, comment, subscribe, share the video with your friends. I very much appreciate it. Thank you very much. For the striking end of our square punch, we're going to forge a hexagonal taper, short hexagonal taper, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take it to the vise and rasp it to make it clean. So, the planks that we're starting out with are these, about 7 inches long, with a cut that is to the centre on both sides. That is a hot cut hardy cut to the centre on both sides. Straightened out piece of that coil spring I showed you earlier. Okay, so here we come. Half on, half off over the far edge. The material hit once, 60 degrees, and then another 60 degrees. And then you have your rough hexagon. So then we can you have a cleaner hexagon, can you see that? Then you can planish. Make it clean. If you want it really clean, you make it really clean. I like it clean, so I'm getting a little extra forging there. Then what you do is you come over to the vise and you give it a little rasping. Just set it in the vise. And make sure there are no square punch, we forge a square taper, half on over the far edge of the material, turning all 4 sides, and I want about 3/8 of an inch, so I'm going to stop there. You see that's a steep taper, so I lower my angle and hit where this forging starts and stops, right there. And extend the taper's length. Now I can planish. Make sure it's an even square, and no rhombuses, and equal sides. So there you go. That is how to forge the square punch. If you want a smaller punch, you just bring it down smaller in that initial phase of tapering. If you want a larger punch, you bring it down a little bigger. There's nothing to it. It practically makes itself. Now, if you want to make a round punch, that's what I'm going to show you next. Okay, so if you want to make a round punch, do exactly the same as the square punch, so forging half on, half off over the far edge of the material to get to the desired dimensions of the end of the punch. And I want it about a little less than 3/16, a small round punch. Then you lower your angle and hit where your forging starts and stops to blend in and extend the taper. There we go, now you planish. And notice how I was forging all 4 sides, because all 4 sides makes even forging. Now then what you do is you take it to octagon. I can't get there in this heat though, so I'm going to heat it back up to take it to octagon. Okay, so now we take it to octagon. And you want to make an even octagon, so that all 8 inside. Then we take it to round. My tongs are in the way, so I can't unicorn on it. I just have to round it normally. Slowly rotating it, I want an even round tape. Then I'm just planishing. This is not trying to forge. Contrary to what you might think, I'm not trying to move metal, so me forging at this heat is not a bad thing. I'm just planishing it, making it cream. That's how you forge a round punch. Now we'll get on to how you grind the square and the round punch. See, this square punch is about a 3/8 of an inch end. This round punch is about 3/16. They're both what I'm lacking in my selection, so that's what I've used. Let's get over to the belt grinder. Okay guys, so key things to remember when we're at the belt grinder is, stay safe. Eye protection, ear protection, they're both musts. And one other key thing to remember is that putting your finger on this hurts. I'm starting off with a fairly heavy belt, except it's been worn for a while. And I'm just going to bring it down to bare metal, bring it down to the rough shape that we want. It's a very steep grind. That's what we want. And I'll be supporting myself here, putting my fingers here, and you've got to be constantly aware of where the belt is. So when you get it to about this stage here, we can then switch to a lighter grip belt and refine it some more. As you can see, that's a very steep profile. So this is the grind that you want. Okay, so for the round punch, I'm going to come in up here on slack of the belt. This isn't very much slack, as much as I've got, so I'm using it. And I'm going to go all the way around, clean up this round, so it will be actually very nicely round. So you get to about this stage where, it's nice and round with the tip down through the taper. And then we're going to proceed to do similar to what we did on the board, exactly the same, except it's not both sides. So I'm just going to... And you end up something. This. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, all sorts, and please do comment any ideas for future tutorial videos. Do you have any ideas for what you'd like, what other hand tools you'd like to see? Just please go ahead and comment them. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.